Operating instructions for 10 kilowatts gasoline generator. Before starting the generator, we need to fill it with fuel. Pour it in right here. Use gasoline with an octane rating of 90 or higher. This is the fuel level gauge. There's a red line on it that means the tank is full. This is the fuel tank switch. Turn it on. Next, check the generator's engine oil. This is the oil dipstick. This mark is the minimum level, and this one is the maximum level. Here's the battery switch. Flip it to the on position. Before use, we must connect the grounding wire to prevent electric shock. This is the grounding terminal. Now hook up the grounding wire. This is the single-phase circuit breaker. Once the generator is running stably, flip the circuit breaker on. Then you can connect your 220 volts power supply. If you need 3-phase power, this is the 3-phase section, and this is the 3-phase aviation plug. This is the main power switch. This side is off and this side is on. Let's switch it on now. The battery reads 12.7 volts, that's normal. Now let's start the generator. This is the manual mode button. Then press this start switch for 3 seconds. Hold this button for 3 seconds to shut it down. Now let's show you how to start it via the controller. Right now it's in shutdown mode. The indicator is red. Now press the start button. When you're done using the generator, first turn off the main power switch. Then switch off the battery. And finally close the fuel tank switch.